in 22 billion years. It'll expanding faster than the fabric of space-time can keep up with it. And it'll just rip. And I'm terrified by this.
In the celestial theater of the cosmos, there are stars that captivate our imagination, their brilliance illuminating the depths of space. But among these stellar actors, one has long held a mysterious allure: Betelgeuse. For centuries, Betelgeuse has stood as a cosmic beacon, its fiery glow visible to stargazers throughout the ages. Now, in the year 2024, NASA's top astronomers have made a stunning announcement that has sent shockwaves through the scientific community and ignited the curiosity of the world. But how will Betelgeuse's explosive finale reshape our understanding of the cosmos? Join us to unravel the mystery of Betelgeuse's supernova in 2024. NASA's chief scientist has, as a matter of urgency, issued a warning alerting the world about an impending celestial event known as the Betelgeuse Supernova. This cosmic phenomenon has the potential to dramatically alter the course of our planet and life as we know it. It's as if the Earth's fate hangs in the balance, similar to a terminally ill patient nearing their final moments. The Betelgeuse supernova, parallel to the inevitable passing of time, draws closer with each passing day. Astronomers, for decades, have been obsessed with studying the complex features and impending explosions of the star known as Baal, also affectionately dubbed Betelgeuse. Despite their fascination, they now find themselves confronted with their greatest fear: the inevitable demise of this stellar giant. The vanishing of Betelgeuse looms on the horizon, arriving much sooner than anticipated. This remarkable star, a beacon in the Milky Way, has captivated the minds and imaginations of astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. Yet, its brilliance is now overshadowed by the imminent cataclysm that awaits it. For many years, scientists who study space, called astrophysicists, have been fascinated by a special type of star. This star, known as Betelgeuse, shines with a reddish color, and its brightness changes over time. Sometimes it appears very bright, while other times it seems dimmer. When compared to other stars, Betelgeuse stands out because it has the widest range of brightness. Long ago, a famous astronomer named Tony described Betelgeuse as being somewhat orange. Tony was a mathematician, astrologer, astronomer, and geographer from Alexandria who dedicated years to studying Betelgeuse. His work provided early insights into this red giant star. Interestingly, even Aboriginal groups in South Australia have passed down stories for over 1,000 years about the changing brightness of Betelgeuse. As our understanding of space has grown, astronomers have gained a clearer picture of Betelgeuse and its unique qualities. This massive star, classified as a red supergiant, resides in the Orion constellation and is one of the largest stars known to us. Red supergiant stars are among the biggest and heaviest stars in the entire universe. Their immense size, ranging from 100 million to 1 billion kilometers in diameter, makes them awe-inspiring features of the Milky Way galaxy. To put Betelgeuse's size into perspective, if we were to compare it with our own sun, Betelgeuse would be 100 to 1,000 times wider. Through research, scientists have determined that a red giant star like Betelgeuse is in the final stages of its life, nearing the end of its evolutionary journey. Despite some similarities between a red supergiant star and a red giant star, there's a significant difference between them. While a red giant can form when a star similar in size to our sun exhausts its fuel, a red supergiant arises from a much larger star with at least 10 times the mass of our sun. A red supergiant star reaches its supergiant stage when it consumes all the fuel in its core. As it runs out of fuel, it loses the ability to generate the immense heat and pressure needed to support its own weight. This leads to a collapse of the star's core. Betelgeuse, one of these remarkable red supergiant stars, stands out not just for its size, but also for its brightness. It ranks as the 10th brightest star in the night sky and the second brightest in its stars, just behind Rigel. However, if we looked at Betelgeuse in near-infrared wavelengths, it would outshine every other star, claiming the title of the brightest star in the night sky. Comparing Betelgeuse to our Sun is a humbling experience. The Sun pales in comparison to the colossal size of Betelgeuse. The radius of Betelgeuse is a staggering 640 times that of the Sun. If somehow Betelgeuse were placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond the asteroid belt, engulfing the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These calculations, made by scientists, highlight the immense scale of Betelgeuse and its dominance in the cosmic arena. Throughout its existence, Betelgeuse's mass has been estimated to be between 10 and 20 times that of our Sun. However, the most astonishing revelation about this star is its distance from us, approximately 600 light-years away. This distance places Betelgeuse relatively close in astronomical terms, making it a neighbor of sorts. Astronomers were taken suddenly when they discovered Betelgeuse's youthfulness. Despite its massive size, Betelgeuse is less than 10 million years old by cosmic standards. This makes it a mere youngster compared to our ancient Sun, which is around 5 billion years old. Yet, despite its youth, Betelgeuse compensates with its immense size, overshadowing most other stars in the universe. Determining Betelgeuse's exact diameter has proven to be a formidable challenge for scientists. The star's pulsating nature causes its diameter to fluctuate over time. Additionally, Betelgeuse lacks a distinct edge, making it difficult to measure accurately. The phenomenon known as limb darkening further complicates matters, as it causes variations in the star's optical emissions, leading to changes in color. Despite these challenges, scientists persist in their efforts to unravel the mysteries surrounding Betelgeuse, driven by the desire to understand more about this colossal and enigmatic celestial body. As you move a distance away from the center of Betelgeuse, its brightness decreases. Additionally, Betelgeuse is enveloped by a cloud of matter ejected from the star, known as a circumstellar envelope. This envelope makes it challenging to pinpoint the precise boundary of the star's surface, called the photosphere. Also, the apparent size of Betelgeuse varies depending on the type of light being observed. Atmospheric twinkling, caused by turbulence in the Earth's atmosphere, also hampers the clarity of images obtained from telescopes on the ground. Despite these obstacles, scientists persist in their quest to determine Betelgeuse's diameter. They have devised estimates based on various factors. Apart from its diameter, Betelgeuse presents another conundrum to scientists: understanding the intricate dynamics of its extended atmosphere. Scientists recognize that the material composing galaxies, including Betelgeuse, undergoes a cycle of creation and destruction as stars form and eventually expire. This recycling process adds to the complexity of studying stars like Betelgeuse. Nevertheless, astronomers remain undeterred in their pursuit of unraveling the mysteries of these gigantic celestial bodies. However, despite their extensive research, scientists have yet to provide a definitive answer to the question of how mass is lost from Betelgeuse over time. While this mystery is intriguing, it pales in comparison to the latest discovery uncovered by scientists studying Betelgeuse. It's widely known that Betelgeuse possesses a considerable mass. However, what many may not realize is that this mass has played a crucial role in the star's rapid evolution over millions of years. In mathematical terms, there's a clear correlation between Betelgeuse increasing mass and its evolution. Now, Betelgeuse is on the brink of its demise. This red giant star is expected to culminate its evolution in a spectacular supernova explosion, which could occur at any moment. Upon learning of this impending event, the scientific community was put on high alert. A supernova is an immensely powerful and luminous explosion originating from the final evolutionary stages of a massive star. This explosion occurs when a white dwarf star undergoes runaway nuclear fusion. The result is either the collapse of the progenitor star into a neutron star or black hole, or its complete destruction, forming a diffuse nebula. Should Betelgeuse explode today, the peak optical luminosity of the supernova could rival that of an entire galaxy before gradually fading over several weeks or months. Witnessing such an event would undoubtedly evoke a mixture of fear and excitement among observers, given the sheer magnitude of the spectacle. Another fascinating aspect of this red giant star is its visibility to the naked eye at night. However, researchers find it puzzling that the red supergiant becomes nearly invisible from the ground between May and August. During this time, it's situated close to the Sun, presenting one of the mysteries surrounding Betelgeuse. Adding to its allure, Betelgeuse is one of the 3 stars composing the Winter Triangle asterism. Positioned at the center of the winter hexagon, Betelgeuse becomes a prominent feature in the night sky from January onwards. Its appearance marks the beginning of the night as it rises in the east shortly after sunset. From mid-September to mid-March, Betelgeuse is visible from nearly every inhabited region worldwide, except for Antarctica and areas below 8 degrees latitude south. On any given evening, once darkness blankets the Earth and stars adorn the sky, Betelgeuse stands out among its celestial companions. If Betelgeuse were to explode today, its aftermath would be a spectacle visible to all. It would be akin to watching a vivid 3D live-action movie unfold in the night sky, with its bright supernova casting shadows and rivaling the luminance of a half-moon for over 3 months. Considering that Betelgeuse is a mere 642 light-years away from Earth, it's as if it's our cosmic next-door neighbor. There's no escaping the inevitable impact of its mighty explosion. It's a reminder that we are intimately connected to the cosmos, and such celestial events shape the course of life on our planet. To understand the potential impact of a Betelgeuse explosion, it's crucial to grasp that the star's brightness isn't consistent. While this might surprise many, it shouldn't, considering Betelgeuse's nature as a pulsating, semi-regular variable star. This means that the star undergoes repeated cycles of brightening and dimming due to changes in its temperature and size. The first time astronomers noticed this unusual behavior was in 2019, thanks to the keen observations of Villanova University, astronomers Richard Wasatonic and Edward Guan, along with amateur astronomer Thomas Calderwood. It was a moment that felt surreal, as nothing like it had been witnessed before. However, after conducting thorough tests and analyses, scientists confirmed that Betelgeuse dimming was indeed a reality. Further investigations led to the theory that a convergence of a typical 5.9-year light cycle minimum and an unusually deep 425-day period contributed to this rare event. As late as 2019, hypotheses about other potential causes began to emerge. Some suggested that the dimming could have been triggered by an eruption of gas or dust, or fluctuations in the star's surface brightness. In the following months, astronomers dedicated their time to unraveling this unexpected phenomenon. Ultraviolet observations conducted by the Hubble Space Telescope offered new insights. By August 2020, scientists proposed a new hypothesis. The dimming could have resulted from the ejection of a massive amount of superhot material into space. This material cooled down, forming a dense dust cloud that obstructed the starlight from about a quarter of the Betelgeuse surface. The journey of discovery surrounding Betelgeuse behavior serves as a testament to the relentless pursuit of knowledge in the field of astronomy. It highlights the intricate nature of stars and the importance of continuous observation and analysis to unlock the mysteries of the cosmos. What's truly fascinating is the series of events observed by the Hubble Space Telescope. In September, October, and November, it detected indications of dense, heated material moving through the Betelgeuse atmosphere. Following this, several telescopes noted a significant dimming of the star in December. As we entered the first months of 2020, astronomers were taken aback by the extent of Betelgeuse dimming. By January, it had dimmed by a factor of around 2.5, dropping from a magnitude of 0.5 to 1.5. The situation worsened in February when scientists reported that Betelgeuse was now the least luminous and coolest it had been in the 25 years of observation. This news sparked widespread speculation among the public that Betelgeuse might be on the verge of exploding as a supernova. Even NASA's response seemed to hint at this possibility. However, as February 17, 2020 rolled around, Betelgeuse's brightness had remained constant for about 10 consecutive days. The roller coaster of events surrounding Betelgeuse behavior captured the imagination of astronomers and the public alike. It's proof of the unpredictability and complexity of the universe, reminding us of the ever-changing nature of the cosmos and the importance of continuous observation and exploration. Yet scientists couldn't help but feel a sense of relief when Betelgeuse began to show signs of brightening again by February 22, 2020. It seemed that the star had completely stopped dimming, bringing closure to the dimming episode that had puzzled astronomers. However, further studies conducted on February 24, 2020, provided a new perspective on what might have caused the dimming. Scientists proposed that the presence of large-grain circumstellar dust could have been responsible for Betelgeuse dimming. Just when it seemed like the dimming episode was behind us, the NASA chief delivered unexpected news: Betelgeuse was dimming once again. This revelation, confirmed by the American Association of Variable Star Observers, sent shockwaves through the scientific community. According to reports from NASA, Betelgeuse had dimmed by approximately 0.5 magnitudes since late January. This discovery, announced on March 14, 2024, has left everyone on edge, eagerly awaiting further updates and insights into this intriguing celestial phenomenon. While we eagerly await what comes next, let's take a moment to address the elephant in the room: Betelgeuse impending explosion. The mere thought of this event has stirred panic and sparked wild imaginations about its potential consequences. Besides, astronomers have been quick to reassure us that life on Earth will remain unharmed. They've even revealed that the Betelgeuse explosion is expected to occur within the next 100,000 years, possibly even millennia from now. But despite these comforting assurances, some astronomers paint a grim picture of what a supernova could do to our planet. When Betelgeuse explodes, it will shine brighter than any other star or planet. The energy released during the explosion could have significant effects on the surrounding space. What's worrying is that we're uncertain about the full extent of its impact on Earth. The explosion will unleash a massive amount of radiation, equivalent to the energy released by the Sun in its entire lifetime. This radiation includes gamma rays, X-rays, and cosmic rays, which could harm Earth's environment and pose risks to life. Scientists fear that this radiation could damage DNA, cause mutations, and increase the risk of cancer. It's crucial to prevent this radiation from reaching our planet, as the potential health consequences are alarming. However, studies suggest that our atmosphere can shield us from most of the harmful radiation. Contrary to our fears, a Betelgeuse supernova would likely only have a minor impact on life. We see evidence of this when considering that the supernova's brightness would cast shadows at night. While this event may not be good news for nocturnal animals that rely on darkness to hunt and navigate, like owls, the impact is expected to be relatively minor. Overall, while there are potential risks associated with Betelgeuse explosion, however, astronomers assure us that life on Earth will likely continue relatively unaffected. What are your thoughts on the Betelgeuse supernova exploding in 2024? Please share your opinion in the comments section. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.